On top with tori for today. We go work well with Ukraine, Presido Buhari na im talk this one. Naija go continue to dey do better collabo with Ukraine as this one go help the two countries dem. Presido Buhari talk this one for State House Abuja when he receive Ambassador for Ukraine, Dr. Valeril Aleksandruk, wey dey comot after he don serve for Nigeria for 4 years. Ukraine dey collabo with Naija on top education, military cooperation matter, the one wey oyinbo dey call space exploration and other matters dem. Ambassador Valeril tok say Naija pipo wey dey study for Ukraine dem reach 5,000 and dem dey plenty every year as education na ogbonge investment to do for person future. E tok say im country dey supply Naija with military equipment and guns dem, the one wey dem dey use to dey fight security katakata, the one wey Naija bin dey face. Valeril tok say Naija and Ukraine don sign ogbonge agreement on top space matter as dem don still ready to sign many collabo agreements on top the two countries dem how e go take develop well. Presido Muhammadu Buhari come salute am and e come wish am better for other assignments wey im country wey dem go give am make e do. Na here we see the ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today as Presido Muhammadu Buhari don give ogbonge assurance say Naija go waka well with Ukraine until the matter. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate so na Live Media na im bring am come gidigba come give una. And to continue to dey get this correct and clear informate as e dey happen for Nigeria and for everywhere for the world, make una no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for Live Media TV. Now if you still follow us, waka enter Facebook to follow and like our page for Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. Make una follow am to get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.